I'm Lindsey McCoy, co-founder and CEO of Plaine Products. Here at Plaine Products, our goal is to help you have as little single-use plastic as possible in your house. So today, we're going to talk about getting plastic out of the laundry room. But first, let me tell you a little bit more about what we do. If you're already familiar with Plaine Products, feel free to skip ahead. But otherwise, here we go. Plaine Products is here to provide an easy, convenient solution to plastic waste in the bathroom. We offer premium personal care products in refillable, reusable aluminum bottles that can be returned to us to be refilled and reused. Here's how it works. Come to the website, order a product, shows up at your house with a pump. Put the pump on, then when you're low, order a refill bottle or subscribe and we'll send it automatically with a return label. Switch the pump over to the refill. The empty bottle goes in the refill box and put the return label on the outside. Comes back to us for free. We wash, refill, and reuse them. No waste. It's just that easy. Plastic, while unfortunately only about 10% is recycled, even when it is, can only be recycled once or twice before it ends up in the waste stream or worse, in our environment. And the great thing about aluminum, it's endlessly recyclable. So these bottles never need to end up in the waste stream. So at Plaine Products, we're here to provide a convenient, easy solution to get single-use plastic out of the personal care. But what about the laundry room? It can be confusing. There are a lot of options out there, but don't worry, we've got you covered. The first step that most of us take is to get rid of the large plastic bottles full of liquid laundry detergent. I know that's the first step I took, and it's an easy choice. There are a lot of great options. However, I moved to laundry pods, which have become a popular option in the sustainability world. But it turns out those pods and strips are actually made with pinyl volley alcohol, which is a form of plastic. And while that can biodegrade, it doesn't in most wastewater treatment plants. That means that plastic is moving through those wastewater treatment plants and out into the environment. About 75% of all of the plastic in laundry pods is ending up in our water, which means it can end up in our fish, in our food. We don't want to contribute to that. What are some better options? Blue Land has some great tablets. You can get powdered detergent, like the one from Meliora, in a cardboard container. And there are soap berries. Three great ways to not only eliminate those large plastic bottles with liquid detergent, but also the pods and the strips from your life. Another item in our laundry room that also has plastic is dryer sheets. So those can be made from plastic, so we want to skip those too, and we have two great solutions for that. You can use wool dryer balls, and a lot of great companies sell those. We have some here at our house. You can DIY aluminum foil balls, just make them yourself, and that'll help combat static cling. You can dampen a dishcloth and put some vinegar on it and throw that in the dryer. Or there are some reusable dryer sheets out on the market. Four great options to help you eliminate mainstream dryer sheets made from plastic from your laundry room. It's so great that sustainable choices have come such a long way since the 90s when all of this got started. No longer do you have to compromise on quality to make a good choice for the environment. The main thing you have to do is just make a conscious choice to stop buying what you've always bought and take a moment and buy something new and plastic-free. So we've given you some great options for your detergent and your dryer sheets. I hope you take the time and do it. If you have other great ideas for getting plastic out of the laundry room, please comment below. We'd love to hear tips that you've found that work for the laundry room or other parts of the house. And if you want other tips and other videos about plastic-free life or what Plaine Products can do for you, please like and subscribe.